grew up in Etna, which is a suburb of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I went into the Navy. I was over in Somalia during Operation Restore Hope. Got to experience a lot of interesting things over there. I ended up getting a couple diagnoses that I didn't realize until later in life, which a lot of us vets don't realize. Once I got out of the military, I went to college, became an RN. I went into the VA. I figured it was time for me to help veterans because I felt like I could give back, and I knew I could talk about my issues, and I knew I could absolutely help veterans with the same issues. The way I was introduced to Alpha-Stim is when I started working for the VA. I was trained by fellow behavioral health nurses on the device and the good it does. And then when I trialed it myself, I found that it completely kind of changed my life. And I hate to say it like it's that dramatic. One, it has stopped me from drinking. I really just feel so much more calm. I can do my job and I don't get stressed nearly as bad as what I used to be. And my wife was telling me what changed in me. I actually felt myself feeling way better mentally. I can help my veterans way better. I'm able to really explain what this device did for me. One patient in particular came and he was so high strung within 5 or 10 minutes of the 20-minute session that we were doing, it subsided and he looked at me and he said, "I can't believe how good I feel right now." And I said, "The treatment's not even over. You still have about 6 more minutes left of it." And he goes, "I can't believe this." And so he felt immediate relief. You know, if you're having issues with high anxiety, if you go home and you typically only sleep about 2 hours, wake up, can't go back to sleep. If after using this, you find yourself able to sleep maybe 3 hours, wake up, but are able to go back to sleep, that's a positive. But the more you use it, the better you'll feel. I can tell you that it's changed my life. It's so nice to not always rely on medication. It's something that you can do while at work. You can do it when you're at home. You can take it on vacation with you, which I have always done. And it has made a huge difference in my life.